12 essential things to do in London in 3 days. Are you ready to dive into one of the world's most exciting cities? Whether you're dreaming of afternoon tea and royal history, or craving the electric buzz of world-class theater and vibrant markets, London has something for everyone. So, buckle up, grab your Oyster card, and let's get started. Our journey begins in the heart of London, with the iconic clock tower of Big Ben standing tall against the sky. Can you hear those chimes? They've marked the passage of time for centuries. But Big Ben isn't just a clock, it's a symbol of London itself. Standing guard beside the majestic Houses of Parliament, it's a testament to the city's enduring spirit and grandeur. And while you're here, why not take a stroll across Westminster Bridge? The views from the bridge are simply breathtaking. It's the perfect way to kick off your London adventure. Next, we're heading to the vibrant South Bank, a cultural hub that stretches along the southern bank of the River Thames. Get ready to be inspired. As you stroll along the bustling promenade, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds. Street performers captivate with their talents, their laughter echoing through the air. The aroma of freshly baked goods wafts from charming cafes, tempting you to indulge in a sweet treat. Be sure to check out the South Bank Center, a world-renowned arts complex that hosts everything from theater performances to art exhibitions. So come with an open mind and let yourself be swept away by the energy and excitement of this dynamic London gem. Prepare to be transported through millennia as we step into the hallowed halls of the British Museum, a treasure trove of human history and culture. Here, beneath its magnificent glass ceiling, lies a collection so vast and diverse, it's almost impossible to comprehend. From the ancient Rosetta Stone to the elegant lines of the Parthenon sculptures, each artifact whispers tales of civilizations past. Wander through the museum's sprawling galleries and let your imagination soar. The British Museum is more than just a museum. It's a portal to the past, a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and ingenuity. So take your time, explore its wonders, and let the stories of history unfold before your very eyes. Get ready to experience the heart and soul of London's vibrant street scene as we step into the bustling heart of Covent Garden. This historic square, once a bustling fruit and vegetable market, is now a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern-day energy. Cobblestone streets lead you past charming boutiques, tempting bakeries and lively pubs, each with its own story to tell. As you wander through the market's covered halls, listen for the sweet melodies of street musicians filling the air. Whether you're searching for unique souvenirs, craving a delicious meal, or simply want to soak up the atmosphere, Covent Garden is the perfect place to experience the true spirit of London. Next, we're taking our London adventure to new heights, soaring above the city on the iconic London Eye. Hold on tight and get ready for breathtaking views. As you step into your glass capsule, the city unfolds beneath you like a sprawling map brought to life. Iconic landmarks like Big Ben, the Houses of Parliament, and Buckingham Palace come into view, their grandeur even more impressive from above. On a clear day, you can see for miles, taking in the vast expanse of London's sprawling metropolis. The London Eye isn't just a Ferris wheel, it's an experience, a chance to see the city from a whole new perspective. So grab your camera, capture the memories, and let the London Eye sweep you off your feet. Prepare to step back in time as we venture into the Tower of London, a fortress steeped in history, intrigue, and royal secrets. For centuries, these imposing walls have witnessed it all: coronations and executions, imprisonment and rebellion. Meet the iconic Beefeaters, the tower's legendary guards, their scarlet uniforms and imposing presence a reminder of the tower's storied past. Hear tales of bravery, betrayal, and intrigue as you explore the tower's many towers and dungeons. And don't miss the crown jewels, a dazzling display of priceless diamonds, rubies, and sapphires that have adorned monarchs for centuries. The Tower of London is a journey through time, a place where history comes to life. From one iconic landmark to another, we now find ourselves at the foot of Tower Bridge, one of London's most recognizable symbols. Standing guard over the River Thames, its majestic towers and intricate steelwork have captivated visitors for over a century. As you walk across its high-level walkways, take a moment to appreciate the panoramic views of the city that stretch out before you. Look down at the bustling river traffic below, watch as boats glide beneath the bridge's raised bascules. For a truly unique experience, venture inside the bridge itself. Tower Bridge is a symbol of London's enduring spirit, a testament to its ability to blend history and modernity with effortless grace. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life as we step into the tranquil oasis of Hyde Park, London's emerald gem. Spread across over 350 acres, Hyde Park is a breath of fresh air, a place to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature in the heart of the city. Stroll along its tree-lined paths, breathe in the sweet scent of blooming flowers, and listen to the gentle lapping of water on the Serpentine Lake. Rent a rowboat and enjoy a leisurely paddle across the lake, watching as swans glide gracefully by. Hyde Park is also home to a number of iconic landmarks, including the Princess Diana Memorial Fountain and the Serpentine Gallery. So, come escape the city without ever leaving it, and discover the magic of London's green heart. Prepare to be captivated by the world's most celebrated artists as we step into the hallowed halls of the National Gallery, home to a treasure trove of European masterpieces. From Van Gogh's vibrant sunflowers to Monet's impressionistic water lilies, each brushstroke tells a story, each canvas a window into the artist's soul. Wander through the gallery's grand halls and let yourself be transported to other worlds, other times. Stand before Botticelli's ethereal Venus and marvel at her timeless beauty. The National Gallery is a testament to the power of art to inspire, challenge, and move us. So take your time, explore its vast collection, and let yourself be swept away by the beauty and genius on display. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds as we dive into the sights, smells, and flavors of Borough Market, London's oldest and most beloved food market. For over 1,000 years, this bustling marketplace has been a hub for food lovers, a place where farmers, producers, and artisans come together to share their passion for good food. Sample artisan cheeses, indulge in freshly baked pastries, or savor the flavors of international cuisine. From gourmet burgers to steaming bowls of ramen, there's something to satisfy every craving at Borough Market. So, come hungry, come curious, and let Borough Market awaken your senses and ignite your passion for good food. No trip to London is complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of Her Majesty the Queen. Watch the iconic changing of the guard ceremony, a colorful display of precision marching and military tradition that never fails to impress. Imagine the history that has unfolded within those walls, the secrets those stones could tell. If you're lucky enough to be visiting during the summer months, you can even step inside the palace itself. Explore the staterooms, marvel at the opulent decor, and imagine yourself attending a royal banquet. Buckingham Palace is a testament to the enduring legacy of the British monarchy, a place where history and tradition intertwine. As our London adventure draws to a close, there's no better way to end our journey than with a night of unforgettable entertainment in London's iconic West End. The West End is synonymous with theatrical excellence, a dazzling showcase of world-class performances that will leave you breathless. From side-splitting comedies to heart-wrenching dramas and toe-tapping musicals, there's a show for every taste and preference. Let the music wash over you, the stories captivate you, and the talent on stage leave you in awe. The West End is the perfect finale to your London adventure, a celebration of creativity, passion, and the power of storytelling. And there you have it, your whirlwind tour of London's must-see sights in just 3 days. We hope you've enjoyed this incredible journey through history, culture, and excitement. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration, and share your favorite London moments in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.